Hey guys, it's Jen, and today I am sharing with you some healthy lunch ideas for work. I work in a hospital, and so in order to keep from eating in the cafeteria every day, I like to make sure that I pack healthy food to eat. So I thought I would show you some breakfasts and lunches that I'm taking to work this week. Today I am taking one of the morning rounds from Osery Bakery. I get these at Costco. They're just kind of like little morning biscuits that you put in the toaster, and it's a cinnamon raisin one, and so I just have a little bit of softened butter in a container there to spread on it once it comes out of the toaster. For a mid-morning snack, I have some Chobani Greek yogurt. This is the flip in the carrot cake creation. This one is really good. And then for lunch, I am taking a salad with some homemade falafel I made the night before. I got a new food processor for Christmas, and so I had all the ingredients on hand, and I decided to make some homemade falafel patties. I'll put the link in the description box below if you'd like to make those. And then I just have a salad to put those on with romaine lettuce, some peppers, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some olives, and that salad is sprinkled with dill. And then I just have some tzatziki sauce from Trader Joe's. And then for an afternoon snack, I just have some grapes and some cut up Colby Jack cheese. Good morning. Today for breakfast, I am taking a cinnamon swirl bagel, and I have a toaster at work, so I will just toast that up when I get there, along with some whipped cream cheese. I like to use that for my bagels because it spreads easily, and I'll just keep it in the fridge this week at work and use it as I need it. I'm also taking a Chobani flip. This is the Tropical Escape flavor. It's really good. And then I got these Trader Joe's oranges the night before, and they're really good, so I just sectioned it up and put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm taking some sparkling water from Trader Joe's. That's the green apple flavor. And then I made some tuna salad. I had some white albacore tuna, and so I mixed that with a little bit of mayo, some sriracha, salt, pepper, some dill flakes, and some lemon juice. And then there's also some cut up vegetables in there, so there's celery and carrots and cucumbers. And then I will have it on a bed of romaine lettuce along with some of the Olive Garden vinaigrette dressing. And then for a snack, I'm taking these whole wheat pita bite crackers from Trader Joe's along with these Kirkland organic hummus cup. I like getting these from Costco because they are super easy to put in individual portions and take to work. And then today Adam is taking some holiday leftovers from our family Christmas. There's some stuffing, mashed potatoes, turkey, gravy, and green bean casserole. So that is what we're taking for lunch today. Good morning. Today for breakfast, I am taking another cinnamon swirl bagel, and I have some cream cheese in the refrigerator at work. So I normally have my coffee on the way to work, and then when I get there, I will have my breakfast. So today for lunch, I'm taking a Greek salad. I just have a salad with romaine lettuce, cut up cucumbers, red pepper, some chicken breast that I get already cooked from Trader Joe's. There's a sprinkle of dill in there, and then also some sheep's milk feta cheese and some Olive Garden vinaigrette and some croutons. And then for a snack, I'm taking some hard-boiled egg that's sprinkled with pepper and some cashews, and then also a orange cut up into segments. So that is what I am taking for work today. Hey there, it's Friday, and today I am working from home. I usually work from home one day a week, and usually my day is on Monday, but we switched it up this week due to the schedule that I had and needing to be at work on a different day. So since I'm eating at home, I just heated up some leftover chili. I like to make that in the Instant Pot, and then I shredded some Colby Jack cheese to put on the top. And then I always like to have my chili with Fritos. If I don't have Fritos, I will use, regular tortilla chips, but Fritos are my first choice. So this turned out to be really good and filling. So that is what I had for lunch today on my work from home day. Good morning. Today for breakfast, I am taking another one of the cinnamon swirl bagels that I got, and these are the Thomas brand, along with some whipped cream cheese from Philadelphia. Again, just taking the whole container to work, and I'll keep that in the refrigerator. And then I'm also still trying to use up the oranges that I got from Trader Joe's, so I cut one of those up and just put it in a baggie. And then for my lunch, I'm taking a pasta dish that I had made the night before. This is whole wheat penne mixed with some marinara sauce, some sauteed onions, and chicken breast. And then I put a piece of Havarti cheese on the top just to melt over it in the microwave. And this is mostly chicken and marinara and a little bit of pasta. And then for a snack, I'm just taking some of the Kirkland organic hummus cups along with some whole wheat pita bite crackers from Trader Joe's. So that is what I am having for breakfast and lunch today. Good morning. Today for lunch, I'm taking this delicious salad. This is a salad of arugula, and on the top I have some cooked shrimp. This is a shrimp cocktail from Costco. It's delicious. And I'm also added some feta cheese, some corn, some cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes, and then some Olive Garden vinaigrette. And then for a little bit of crunch, I have some wonton strips to add to it later. I'm also taking a sliced orange, still trying to use those up, and then this pumpkin Noosa yogurt, along with this cute little mason jar full of granola. So that is my lunch and snacks today. Today I'm also showing you what Adam is taking for lunch. He's basically taking the same salad that I am, except he is using or having chicken breast instead of shrimp. So essentially the same thing, except his meat or protein is different. And then also he's taking some strawberries and blueberries. Hello and good morning. Today for lunch, I am just keeping it light because I'm only going to be there half a day. So I'm taking a cinnamon raisin breakfast round from Osary Bakery. I had mentioned these previously. I get them at Costco and they go great in the toaster. So with that, I'm just taking a little bit of cinnamon and brown sugar cream cheese. And then for a mid-morning snack, I am just taking some white cheddar cheese with some summer sausage along with these seed crackers. And then I have my coffee. And again, I'm taking a half day for a doctor's appointment, so I'll probably just pick up lunch after I'm done with that. Today for lunch, Adam is taking a sandwich. This is a turkey and Swiss sandwich with some arugula and some honey mustard on wheat bread from Trader Joe's. And then he's also taking some berries with that. And then I packed him some hummus along with some cucumbers and baby carrots. And then for a snack, he's taking hard-boiled egg along with some cashews. So that is what we are taking for lunch today. Okay, so to wrap up the week, we are actually having pizza for lunch at work today. My boss will be ordering that for someone who's leaving the department, so I offered to bring a side salad. This is just a big bowl of romaine lettuce topped with cherry tomatoes and pepperoni and baby carrots, and then I also chopped up some Colby Jack cheese, and I have some croutons on the side. And then I'm taking some ranch and some Italian for dressing it. So we will have that with our pizza. And then for Adam, I just recreated basically that same salad, except I added some more protein to his. Along with the pepperoni, I added some ham and some turkey. And he's got some ranch dressing in a little cup along with some croutons. And then for a snack, he's got a hard-boiled egg sprinkled with pepper, some cashews, and then some hummus with some pita bite crackers from Trader Joe's. So that is what we are taking today. Thanks again for being here and watching these new videos on my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope that you have gained some inspiration for lunches for yourself, whether you work outside the home or you stay at home or work at home. I hope that there are some ideas that you can take away from this for your own meals. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.